Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. We're going to do something a little special with some cantaloupe today. I love cantaloupe, and usually when I eat cantaloupe, I'll sprinkle some salt, and I like a lot of fresh ground black pepper on it. And this recipe just kind of takes that idea and takes it up to the next level. So, and I guess this could be served as a salad, a dessert, or just even a snack. So it's going to be a little spicy, a little crunchy, bacony, and salty cantaloupe. So how am I going to get that in my title? The first thing we want to do is fry up some bacon, and we're going to get it to medium well done, hopefully nice and crispy. What I'm using is some pecan smoked uncured bacon. What I think is real interesting up here, if you see the top, pork raised. Now, I'm not sure what that means. I guess this pigs were raised by porks. Anyway, I got 4 slices that we're going to fry up and then drain on some paper towels and let it cool off for a little bit. We'll use this a little bit later. I removed the bacon from the pan, put it on a paper towel, and we're just going to let that soak in a little bit and let it cool off. All right, the bacon's finished. I drained it on a paper towel, and then I just kind of crumbled it up into little small pieces. I cooked 4 pieces and I'm only using 3, I think. If I need the 4th, I'll add it later. I've removed the bacon grease all except for a tablespoon. So I still have a tablespoon of my bacon grease in here. It's going to give us a lot of good flavor. So what I'm going to do, I have 2 very finely chopped cloves of garlic. And then I'm using half of a jalapeno that's been seeded. You can really use any kind of a hot pepper. I'm using jalapeno because I still got plenty coming in from the garden. And I'm using a half because I'm going to add in some red pepper flakes at the end. I just thought having the red and the green would kind of give us a nice little color presentation on the dish. But you can use a Fresno pepper, Thai chili pepper if you really like it hot. Okay, I don't want to cook this garlic too brown, so I'm going to turn it down to like a medium low. And so we're just going to saute this for about a minute, not very long. Okay, now we're going to add a 1/4 of a cup of some chopped cashews. And I'm using unsalted cashews. All right, we're going to stir this around, get the bacon grease coated all around the peanuts or the cashews. And we'll do this for maybe a minute or 2 minutes. All right, my 2 minutes are up. So I'm going to turn my heat off. I'm going to add back into the pan my bacon. I've got about a 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 tablespoon of brown sugar. So we're going to just stir this all up good. Yeah, this topping really sounds interesting. It's got some crunch, it's got the bacon, the grease, hot from the pepper, brown sugar, a little bit of sweetness. All right, so I've got, it was a 1/2 of a cantaloupe, but it was a really large cantaloupe, so I don't know if I'm going to use all of this. This is probably about 2 pounds right here. I may use, well, we'll just see what I can fit on my serving platter. we're gonna do is sprinkle the crumbs here on top. Looks beautiful. And then, like I said, I'm gonna put on a little bit of the crushed red pepper. Just it gives it a little different flavor than a jalapeno. And use this, you know, to your taste. But that's it. Very simple. You know, you take kind of a boring cut up cantaloupe and make something really pizzazz with it. Let me taste this. I'm just going to take it right out of the serving bowl. Try to get a little bit of everything in here. Oh, and cantaloupe is also at room temperature, just so that it really kind of soaks in all this. Wow, that's really good. I'm gonna eat the whole thing. It's, I don't know, I guess I'd use it more for a salad, even though it's kind of spicy. But you know, dessert, snack, yeah, whatever. Really I enjoyed this. This was really good. Some spicy, salty, crunchy cantaloupe. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Dead Foodie right over there. And thank you for watching.